That boy you out for harm you. He must stalk you. And it come like say, you just want... Yo, what kind of problem you in? A money you shatter? Eh? My money not good enough.
Trevor, me say, me not passionate about this right here, so and I don't want to do it. Me want to do my job, so I don't know where you're going so far.
Me, I tell you, say, me not passionate about where you are plan for do. You and Dave not supposed to in the same space.
Listen, big man. Your money are your money. At time me work for my money.
Me remember one time you tell me say my money are your money. How that changed so all of a sudden?
Your money are Kamisha money. I want to work my money.
Alright. Go and go work your own money. Go and go do anything you want to do.
Trevor, come here. I need to tell you something.
Come in. Come to you.
When I go pick up the things them from the house ready, I see Dave.
And what happened? Wanna get back together?
Why you have to think the worst first? No, Trevor.
So what happened?
Babe, him threaten me.
Threaten you? Threaten you say what?
Say I'm gonna expose you, say you're not drugs. If I don't go back over the house, that's how I'm gonna do.
Expose me. So tell me something. This is something where you and him talk about, don't you?
Trevor,
No, just answer the question. Is something where you and him talk about?
Trevor, this ain't not the time when you gotta keep up your foolishness. And remember, say me you never there. You da give peer problems. So, but you just talk to him.
So what? Me no mind sharp. My name and my business gone on social media. You sure I gave him name? I don't know Noah.
May I apologize. That is something I should I tell him whether me you're good or not.
But it done happen already.
Babe, I'm sorry.
So, what me must do about this now?
I never know the day when I would have said this, but I want you page him.
Say less. Tell me something. You never put a man on you.
No, babe, he never touched me. Because he threatened me.
Alright. Over yourself. You deal with it. Hello? Yeah. I'll go, Maureen. What you say? Alright, cool. I'm ready for pick up. Alright, now arrange that. Yeah, man. See you in about 15. Cool. Yo, babe. I pick up 2 guests and follow.
sure.
Coming home, it feels like coming home. Far away, far beyond the limits. Every day, it feels like coming home.